Welcome to Aon Product Pick, your hub for the best camera reviews, gear breakdowns, and photography insights. In today's video, we're exploring the top 3 best Leica M12 cameras in 2025, a lineup that combines timeless design with modern innovation. Leica has always been about precision, craftsmanship, and that legendary image quality, and the new M12 series takes it to the next level. From advanced sensors to sleek builds and unmatched color science, these cameras are designed for photographers who demand nothing but the best. Whether you're a professional shooter, a collector, or just a true Leica fan, this list will help you discover the finest M12 options available this year. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's dive into the top Leica M12 cameras of 2025. Number 3, Leica Deluxe 8. The Leica Deluxe 8 continues Leica's tradition of blending premium design with powerful performance in a compact form. Featuring a large 4/3 sensor and a fast Leica DC Vario Summilux lens, this camera delivers stunning image quality with beautiful color science and sharp detail, even in low light. Its minimalist design and intuitive controls make it a perfect choice for photographers who want professional-level results without the bulk of a full-sized camera system. On top of that, the Deluxe 8 brings modern upgrades like enhanced connectivity, a crisp high-resolution EVF, and 4K video recording, making it not just a stills camera, but also a versatile tool for content creators. Whether you're shooting street photography, travel moments, or creative video projects, the Leica Deluxe 8 strikes a balance between portability and performance that's hard to beat. Number 2, Leica MP. The Leica MP is a legendary 35mm film camera that represents the very essence of simplicity and craftsmanship. Built entirely with a mechanical design, it doesn't rely on batteries to function, which means you get full control over every shot. Its solid brass construction, timeless rangefinder system, and fully manual operation make it a true photographer's tool, designed for those who value precision, durability, and the pure art of photography. Unlike modern digital cameras, the Leica MP strips photography down to its basics, letting you focus only on composition, light, and timing. What sets the Leica MP apart is its incredible reliability and the way it connects you to the process of shooting. The shutter is whisper quiet, the viewfinder is bright and clear, and the build quality is second to none. It's not a camera overloaded with features, but rather one that rewards patience, skill, and creativity. For serious photographers and collectors, the Leica MP isn't just a camera, it's an investment and an icon of photographic history. Number 1, Leica SL3. The Leica SL3 is a true powerhouse for both photographers and videographers, combining Leica's iconic design with cutting-edge technology. It features a 60-megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor, delivering stunning detail, dynamic range, and low-light performance. The color science is pure Leica, natural, vibrant, and timeless. With fast and accurate phase detection autofocus, improved subject tracking, and in-body stabilization, the SL3 is built to handle everything from fast action to cinematic shots. Its 8K video recording, professional codecs, and robust connectivity make it a versatile hybrid camera for creators who demand the very best. Beyond performance, the SL3 stands out with its premium build quality, crafted from solid metal with a weather-sealed design for durability in any condition. The EVF is one of the sharpest and most immersive in the industry, and the intuitive menu system makes it surprisingly user-friendly despite being a high-end tool. Of course, it comes with a premium price tag, but if you're after uncompromising image quality, professional features, and that distinctive Leica shooting experience, the SL3 is one of the finest full-frame mirrorless cameras available today. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.